everybody, I want to give you a quick review today on the Ninja blender, professional 1000-watt edition. This is their 3-speed edition. A few things that we love, and then one thing you need to be aware of. First and foremost, I love the simplicity of this. It's got 3 speeds. I don't need 12 speeds. I don't need 10 speeds. Low, medium, and high is really all we need. We make a lot of smoothies, a lot of blended drinks like milkshakes in this, and this is perfect. The second thing I love is it's extremely powerful. The 1000 watts in here is more than enough to crush ice, blend everything up that we need, especially with this spiral design on the blades that you see in here. That just absolutely makes it a game changer. Third thing we like is all of this comes apart so nice and easy, and it is all dishwasher safe. So we're able to throw this in. The dishwasher gets it super clean, doesn't miss anything at all because of its design. And now the one thing you do have to watch out for is the lid. The lid itself, we had on our original one of these, ended up breaking, and it was actually cheaper for us to buy a whole new blender than it was to get just the replacement lid. So if you're in the market for a part for one of these, you're probably just better off just going ahead and getting a brand new system. But other than that, love this blender. Give it a 5 out of 5 stars.